My grandmother, Grace, the entire family of the Ongwae, our tata, our mama, my grandfather's here, Tikas and Tiane Parema. God is good. And all the time. And that is nature. Wow. Asante sana. Inchereroga enachire. No mochokoro womogaka Nelson Ongwae, who together with my grandfather and of course the other ones here including Mzee Chwea balingi kurwense meye basometi abanamo bagakini abanamo na inche buno mochokoro nona akinereta iga nche asante kwa tuta miangu asante nche lere na tirega kurupone asabana ba my grandma Salome and everybody else in the family. Nyasaye na abwate sababu yae why this had to happen. But in every season eto koira ni Nyasaye kuna mbiyamono na ende mbiyamono. Nchebuna mondo ocheiga gochakobo mochumbe, my uncle, the former governor of Kisii County, James Omariba Ongwae, ekerona alikuruani ukabisa etiquette ya ODM na alikuruwa. Yet really, I was the most popular candidate. Igo governor abwate tokoboko agatebie party leader na the election board gaki follow the opinion polls, give it to the most popular candidate, and that is how na nyorete ticket ya ODM Nkabo Mochumbe Okitutu Chache South. For 2022, Your Excellency, for 2022 siasa ya Beire mchanganyiko. Oroche siku hizi mpaka saa matano mbale bali siasa yako ngeire sana mpaka bali kigento keke ba mobilize abantu bate ko babwatisia Chenomo mromorem naende chetingo kore mcheche mche igongo bateriga bantu baminto Kitutu Chache South tuanye transforming. We have transformed Kitutu Chache South. When we went to the president with Honorable Japhet Nyakundi, toka tebie president tukore para ya chage tuna Jimmy Ambwenyi na Honorable Richard Onyonka para ya marani Wochanyakoe para ya Gesieka kugenda Nyaore para yu tuanye kolire onye ndirio montare gokorere para igare kora kole tiaye ekina kieke egia kabere bateri gabantu baminto abagusi lazima tochamo tobwaterane tochamo tokoregasiamo asengecho. We were hoodwinked as a community and as a nation to elect a president who is a liar, a president who has